Hello viewers, in this class we are going to talk about mole concept. Before going to the concept, let me understand this example. So this example will clear us and it can make us to understand clearly about the mole concept. Okay, so first we understand. Now we are having a formula to make two pizzas. To make two pizzas we need 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of water, then only we can make 2 pizzas. Okay, so this is the recipe or formula, whatever you say. Now I am giving 6 cups of flour and 3 cups of water. Now how many pizzas you can make it? As you know, this is the formula. So now how many pizzas you can make it? So to make 2 pizzas, so you have to pick up first 3, the first one set, and 1 cup of water, so you can make 2 pizzas. So another, so 3 cups and 1 cup of water, so you make 2 pizzas. Now this also finished, so this is finished, so 0. Now 2 cups of water is over and 1 cup is remaining. So how many pizzas are we made it? Total 4 pizzas. Now dear students, at the end, so we made total 4 pizzas from 6 cups of flour and 3 cups of water. So here we should be very careful. The maximum amount of pizzas can be calculated from the limited reagent or the shortage of reagent, not on the basis of the excess. Then so if you use that excess, then it will give the wrong results. Please remember, we should always, the maximum amount of the product is formed on the basis of limited reagent, not on the excess reagent. Okay, now we will go to the problems. Okay, the problem is 50 kg of nitrogen gas and 10 kg of hydrogen are mixed to produce ammonia. Now we have to find out what is the maximum quantity of ammonia is produced and what is the limiting reagent. So if it given, so what we should do? So first we have to write the standard recipe, that is the formula, the equation. So nitrogen and hydrogen gives ammonia. This is not balanced, so we have to balance it. So like this. So finally we got a balanced equation. Now, so what is this mentioning that? So 1 mole and 3 moles and this is 2. These coefficients are moles. Okay. So 1 mole of nitrogen is reacting with 3 mole of hydrogen, gives 2 mole of ammonia. So but we got the quantities in kilograms. So that means what we should do? We should convert this kilograms into the moles. Okay. So we are going to convert into moles. 50 kg means that is 50,000 grams of nitrogen divided by this nitrogen molecular weight is 28. So you will get it around 1785.71 mole. Similarly, you calculate for this hydrogen also, that is 10 kg, that means 10,000 gram. So hydrogen is 2. So you will get 5,000 moles. Okay. In the examples what we have discussed, we should always use the limiting reagent to find out the maximum amount of product formed. Now we should find out which one is the limiting reagent. So 1 mole of ammonia requires 3 mole of hydrogen. That means this 1785.71 mole of nitrogen requires how many moles? So vice versa also we can calculate. I am taking it nitrogen here. That means we have to multiply into 3 times. So that means how much we should get it? We should get around 5357.13 mole of hydrogen we need. But we are having 5000 moles. So that means which one is lesser? This is lesser. Hydrogen quantity is in lesser. That means hydrogen is the limiting reagent. Okay, as we discussed in the example, we have to use that limiting reagent only to calculate the maximum amount of product. let you see here, that means I am going to take the limiting reagent. You see 3 moles of hydrogen gives 2 moles of ammonia. Okay, that means 5000 moles. How much you are going to give? That means around how many moles? 10,000 divided by 3. That means you should get around 3.33 moles of ammonia. Is it clear? So this many moles of ammonia can be formed from the 5000 moles of hydrogen. Okay. So now they are asking the quantity. So that means we are having in the moles. That means we have to convert into this moles into the grams. That means what we should do? So we should multiply this one into the molecular weight of ammonia. Nitrogen 14, 3 hydrogen. That means 17. So 3.33 into 17 gives around 56.66 grams. So that means it gives the kilogram means divided by 1000. So 67 kg of ammonia is produced. And the hydrogen is a limiting reagent. So first we should derive the equation and convert the quantity into the moles and find out the limiting reagent. So I find out the limiting reagent. So I am getting this many moles, but we are having 5000. So on the basis of the limiting reagent, we are getting this many moles of ammonia is forming, and that I am converting into the quantity. So that multiplying it by molecular weight, so to get the quantity. So this is a very simple way. I hope you understand it. Thank you.